portraits that we see here of people who were born in Crimea, were exiled and came home. The expressions, the wonderful faces that the photographer Zarema Yaliboylu was able to photograph. People, when they see this in general, because we have very many non-Ukrainians coming to visit the museum, and I think largely they're surprised. They're surprised that Crimea is part of Ukraine. Very important to highlight the history of Crimea, in particular now because of the Russian occupation. Crimean Tatars are very happy to work with us and develop shows like this and basically to bring attention to their plight. So in addition to the photographs, we were very fortunate to work with Ayla Bakali. Ayla Bakali is the representative of Crimean Tatars. She actually brought artifacts from her own personal collection. It was important to Ayla to bring in the traditional aspect of Crimean Tatar cultural life.